Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The question is from RCQ Philippines. And here is about the question. For what value of x does 2x minus 13, 2x over 3 plus 6 and x represent length of a right triangle? In this situation, I will divide to 3 scenarios. Because we know that we have 3 planes in here, but we don't know which one is about hypotenuse. So we will divide into 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1, I put about 2x minus 13. This is about hypotenuse. So because this is about right triangle, we can apply about Pythagorean theorems. So we got about 2x over 3 plus 6 to the power of 2, and we have x squared equal to 2x minus 13. So we just expand the number in here. Next, we need to simplify the number. So we put everything go to the right, and we have 4 minus 1 minus 4 over 9. So you got about 23 over 9 square. We have 8x, we put in here. You got about negative 60x, and 36 we go in here. We got about 133. We got about x equal to number 21, and x equals to 57 over 23. So later that we put back the value in here. So we have 2x, 2 multiplied with 21 minus 13. You will get about 29. The next one is about 2x over 3. Plus 6. You got about 20. So if you look carefully about this one, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse should be the highest number in here. So we compare this is correct. So we can check about this one. Now let's go to the second one. So if we put this number in here, you got about negative 185 over 23. So that means this is below than 0. But we know that the length should be about the positive number. So we cannot accept this one. So the answer in here we need to find that should be about 21 29 and 20. Now let's go to the same technique. So in this situation, we got 2x over 3 plus 6 is about hypotenuse. So we do the same. So you got about 2x minus 13 square plus x square equal to 2x over 3 plus 6 square. So we have this one from here, and we have s square in here equals to this one. So we put all the number go to the left, and we got about 4 plus 1 minus 4 over 3, 4 over 9. So you got about 41 over 9 square. This one go in here, you got about negative 60s, and this one go in here, you got about 133. So you got about s approximate about 10.35, and s approximate about 2.82. So we use this number from s to put back for this one. About 2 multiplied with 2 in here, you got about the negative, so we need to recheck this number in here. About this one, we put in here and here. So you got about the value that should be about 20.7. We know that hypotenuse should be the biggest, but we calculate about 20.7 is greater than 10.30. This one is about 7.7, and this one is about 12.9. Now let's compare. This is 12.9. This is about 7.7 in here, 10.35, and this is the couple number we need to find in here. And the last one, so we do the same technique. So we put s square in here. So you got about 4 plus 4 over 9 minus 1, and you got about 31 over 9 square. And we have negative 52 plus 8, and you got about negative 44s. 169, we put about 36. You got about 205. Now we find the value. In here there is no solution. So the answer of this situation, that is about this one. and this one. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.